Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some thrilling news to share about the highly anticipated Google Pixel 9 series. If you're a smartphone enthusiast, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's dive deep into what makes the Pixel 9 series so special and why it's creating such a buzz in the tech world. The anticipation for Google's Pixel 9 series is mounting, promising significant updates to the smartphone lineup. With the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro already established as top Android choices, the upcoming Pixel 9 series aims to elevate the user experience even further. This year, Google is set to launch not just one or two, but three distinct smartphones, marking a departure from previous years. One of the most exciting aspects of the Pixel 9 series is the introduction of long-awaited features. For the first time, the standard model will include a telephoto lens, catering to compact smartphone enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on camera quality. Despite leaks surfacing almost 2 years prior, the rumors surrounding this year's lineup align closely with earlier predictions, adding to the anticipation. The Pixel 9, although seemingly overshadowed by its Pro counterpart, holds its own as the successor to the Pixel 8. It sports a new camera bar design reminiscent of the Pixel Fold, maintaining Google's signature style while embracing elements from Apple and Samsung, such as flat edges and rounded corners. This blend of familiar design with new elements ensures a premium feel and user experience. The Pixel 9 Pro takes center stage, offering premium features like a telephoto sensor in a more compact form factor. The Pro model is designed for users seeking top-tier performance and features, making it an appealing choice for tech enthusiasts and professional photographers alike. The inclusion of advanced camera technology and enhanced processing capabilities sets the Pixel 9 Pro apart in the competitive smartphone market. Both the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro promise to launch with Android 15 out of the box, showcasing Google's commitment to software innovation. This new version of Android brings a host of new features, improved user interface, and enhanced security measures, ensuring that users have the best possible experience right from the start. In addition to software improvements, the Pixel 9 series is expected to feature significant hardware upgrades. This includes the new Tensor G4 chipset, which promises faster performance and better efficiency. There's also a new Samsung-made modem for improved networking capabilities, ensuring faster and more reliable connectivity. While details on storage and RAM configurations remain speculative, it's clear that Google is focused on providing a seamless user experience across all models. Google has always been known for its exceptional camera technology, and the Pixel 9 series is no exception. With advancements in powered processing and software enhancements, the Pixel 9 series aims to deliver unparalleled photography experiences. From low-light performance to high-resolution zoom, these smartphones are set to redefine mobile photography standards. Overall, the Pixel 9 series sets high expectations for Google's smartphone lineup. Combining cutting-edge technology with innovative software features, the anticipation builds as we get closer to the launch. Consumers are eagerly awaiting the opportunity to experience the next evolution of the Pixel series. So what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 9 series? Are you excited about the new features and design changes? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.